Bank finance in shipping is still shrinking as a number of banks choose to exit the industry or to reduce their portfolios, and that's driven by the regulators and by the board of directors of banks for those banks who had portfolios that were really far too large for their capital base. But there is a flight to quality in the sense that the best, largest companies still attract a lot of interest from banks. So bank finance is there, but it's more difficult for smaller and medium-sized companies to raise bank finance, much more difficult than it used to be. This forum has been very interesting because I think for the first time in most of the panels it's been more about the changes the industry faces, particularly the regulatory changes and what that's going to mean for the investment in new ships and the markets. But there's a generally optimistic sense. But I think some of the issues facing the industry are really, there's a lot of change taking place, and so we'll see how that all pans out. But regulation is going to be a much bigger driver than it has before.